Hello everyone, this is Priyadarsini Mudra. I am from Durgapur, West Bengal. I had a keen interest to write books. For this, I had also gone to some authors. Some of them were confusing, some were a bit harsh. So I was in search of a good course. In the month of November 2020, I came across Mr. Som Bathla in Facebook. So I joined in his webinars. I enrolled in his author freedom model course. After that, my life has changed drastically, I would say. I could become able to write, publish a book, and now I am also going through the processes of marketing. The course is self-explanatory. Each and every step, starting from selection of niche, micro niche, topic selection, compilation of chapters, finally writing books, then publishing and marketing. Each and every step is explained in a detailed and structured manner. Anyone can write a book by going through this process. FH community is a very vibrant community. The members are very cordial. There is someone always to help anyone, whether it may be selection of topic, cover design, or any other technical stuff. Help is there always. Thanks to Mr. Som for creating such a wonderful and vibrant community. I would recommend this community highly to anyone who is keen on writing, publishing, and selling their books globally. Thank you, Mr. Som.